You've seen the pictures of the famous sites and read the stories about how our great country came to be. Now, it's time to take a trip with your friends and see our country's past come alive before your own eyes. You'll travel back in time to Virginia's historic triangle and visit incredible sites like Jamestown, Colonial Williamsburg, Yorktown, and Monticello. You and your friends will see, hear, and interact with over 4 full centuries of history. Your days will be packed from morning to night. There is so much to see and do on this historical adventure through time. See the very spot where settlers landed over 400 years ago. Participate in engaging reenactments of life in the 1700s. Walk in the footsteps of one of our country's greatest founding fathers. You and your friends will create your own memories to share for years to come.
The gunsmith was really cool because I really got to see what weapons they used in battle. I could almost now picture what the battles were like.
I think my favorite site's been just all of them because they're all so special in their own way.
Your trip will be led by your own course leader to share fun facts and answer all your questions along the way. And when you aren't seeing amazing sights, you'll spend lots of time with your friends, eating at restaurants and hanging out in your own hotel room.
I've actually learned a lot about history in this trip. They've replicated it so kids like me could learn about it and just see it in more detail. This is phenomenal compared to the textbooks.
When you and your friends join us in Virginia's historic triangle, you'll watch history come alive on a travel adventure you'll never forget.